Greetings from Cubs the Preschool. This video is to show you how we are going to introduce practical learning for the children at home. As you all know, due to the ongoing pandemic situation, regular schooling has been stopped. So, the biggest concern for the parents is how to make the child learn with practical exposure at home. If there is no practical exposure, the child will end up learning only the theory. And sometimes theory means mugging up. And mugging will definitely not help any of the child when it comes to learning procedure. So, to ensure child learns with interest, with fun and with focus, practical learning is important. In fact, Cubs the Preschool has been based on this philosophy of practical teaching. We do practical first and theory next. As you can see, there are different boxes for different age group. One is for the 3+ years of children and another is for the age group of 4+ years of children. This is actually known as the Practivity box. Has materials related to literacy, numeracy, sensorial development, logical reasoning and fine motor skills. In fact, all these parameters are very important in child's learning during early years. Now let's see what is inside the box. I'll show you one by one these materials. This is a logical game which would help children understand reasoning. It's known as rock hopper game with some images of rocks, as you can see. And if you flip the board, you can see step and slide game with numbers 1 to 20. Since this is an age specific box, Practivity box for 3+ children, things have been taken care that the numbers which are relevant for that age group, say from 1 to 20, has been covered in this game. So this is more or less similar to a snake and ladder game, but with some teaching involved. Cutouts of geometric shapes. As you can see, there are various circles of different sizes. The cut pieces, triangle, rectangle, half circle, different angle triangles, square. All these are child friendly material. The edges are not sharp since this is a foam based material. This is roulette, having different games involved. This is a vowel game starting with the first sounds. The child has to identify the different objects, animals or things starting with the letters, as you can see printed on this roulette. So there are different settings that we can go for depending on the child's interest level. Fruits and vegetables. This is threading game. Normally we introduce this threading game in Montessori teaching, wherein it helps the child to increase the concentration and focus. As you know, smaller children in the age group of 3 to 4 have hyperactivism, which means they are hyperactive, they don't sit at one place. So to ensure that they develop good concentration skills, ability to focus on one thing at a time, we provide such materials. So they have to basically enter this thread through various holes depending on the numbers. As you can again see, the numbers are ranging from 1 to 20, which will also teach them numbers at the same time when they are doing this activity. This is the best part of our teaching when we introduce letters or numbers at Cubs. As you can see, there are different cutouts, and these are not normal cutouts. These are sandpaper cutouts having rough surfaces with stickers at the back. So what we are supposed to do with this is, As you can see, these different letters are all small letters. Since we start with the small letters first in nursery, have to be pasted on these cards. There are various cards, and the moment we paste them, they become sandpaper letters for practice. So basically, a child is supposed to move his 2 fingers on these letters. By moving these fingers on these letters, it will help the child to remember the shape of every letter before they start writing, because it is important to make them realize the shape and the feel of every letter instead of just holding their hand and making them write. Numbers, sandpaper letters for numbers as well, ranging from 1 to 10. Then we have the lingo cards having pictures of various objects, starting with automobiles or transport system to musical instruments to electrical appliances. So these cards help children to understand various objects around them. When we ask them, what do you see around your house? Do you see aeroplane? Do you see bus? Or do you see a helicopter? They have to guess the right object that they normally see around their house. And when they say the right object, we mark that on this card. And the moment they end up saying all the objects basis on the questions that we ask, this card has to be filled. Once the card is filled, they win this game. So not only this, there are around 10 cards inside this lingo card game, having different cards with animals, fruits and vegetables, objects, automobiles, wild animals, helping children to understand the object names or the animals names or the fruit and vegetables name with ease and with fun. These are skittles, basically to introduce counting. So when we teach them numbers, it is important to show them the quantity. Using these skittles, we can help the child to understand how much 1 is 1 and how much 2 is 2. This creates a huge difference when you teach children the quantity along with the counting. This will also ensure there is no mugging up of numbers. They will understand the concept of numbers with the help of counting as well as quantity. This is also used in these various objects that I just showed you, the various games of this box. So there are multi-purpose usage of these skittles in this Practivity box of 3+ years of children. Then we have these wooden blocks, as you can see, known as graded building blocks, normally used for arranging different shapes, towers, or in different pattern, in order to see how a child is able to arrange these given blocks with his own independent thinking. This ensures a child has a structured thinking in whatever he is doing, because children normally don't have a structured or directed thinking. They normally think directionless. So to give direction to their thinking level, to ensure that they think constructively, we introduce such objects. So these building blocks, which are made of wood and also child friendly, have been helping us not only to teach them a direction led thinking or to help them with the structural thinking, but also to introduce various patterns depending on the shape and the size of these pattern blocks, also known as graded pattern blocks. To introduce different geometric shapes, we have this box again. You can see there are various circles of different sizes, known as diametric cylinders. We use these diameter cylinders to introduce cylindrical shapes and how to fit them in the right slots. This promotes logical reasoning among 3 to 4 years children. So when they pick a right one, saying that a particular cylinder of this size has to be put in the slot of the same size, then only they will realize that there are matching patterns. If they are not able to match it, then definitely they have to search for the right slot. So in that way, they are able to think constructively, think logically, and complete this activity. The next one is pattern frames, having different patterns made of wood. We have jigsaw puzzle. As you can see, there is a number 10 written on this block and there are 10 holes. And again, this is to introduce numbers counting along with quantity. So when it comes to counting and quantity, jigsaw puzzle are of great help. So this is having 1 to 10 numbers, having different patterns, different holes depending on the numbers that you choose. So these are the accessories for all the games that are involved in this box. This is for this needle, as you can see, is for the roulette game. There is a sand hour. There is a extra pieces of the frog images for the frog hopper game, and there are pegs to play the slide and ladder game. Another critical area that we normally cover during nursery schooling is introduction of English alphabet. Since we start with small alphabets, we are providing small alphabet cutouts in English. Again, child friendly, no sharp edges, and the moment a child come across any letter, any shaped letter, let it be W or T, he has the opportunity of touching and feeling the shape and remember it for a longer time than mugging up. So this contains A to Z cutouts of small English alphabets. Then we have color and shape cards in order to introduce logical thinking among children. So it's a simple game. The moment you keep different colored circles and ask him to identify the matching shape, the child has to identify the same circles having different colors. So this way we are not only introducing the shapes but progressive thinking in order to teach the child that no matter what the color is, the shape remains the same. Among the different shapes, he will choose only the circles because the shapes are same. Then we have the vowel cards. As you can see, there are different pictures with the letters, helping child to identify different vowels. Since there are 5 vowels in English, A, E, I, O, U, and all these pictures are of 3-letter words like sun, cup, nut, hut. So what is the vowel in this picture? U, which comes into hut. Hut spelling is H-U-T and U is being a vowel, completes the word. Nut, N-U-T. N-U-T. So the vowel is U. Cub, C-U-B. So the vowel is U. Sun, S-U-N. So the vowel is U. So similarly, we have for O, vowel O, vowel I, vowel E. This is counting strips having various holes depending on the number, starting with 1, there is a 1 hole, 2, 3, 4 counting strip, number 5 counting strip, and so on. And finally we have the lingo chart. Things in the house, clothing, things in the school, things in the kitchen. So there are various charts. This normally helps to introduce various words along with pictures and with identification, since they can see the pictures. Now you must be thinking how to use all of these materials without any support. Yes, of course, we are going to help you with all these materials from the school as well, and also from the booklet which we will be providing along with the books. So the booklet has all the details. I just showed you the objects, how to use them, how to make them, and if there is any question you can always get back to us. So as you could see, various objects I just showed you in the video to help you understand what all the objects we are providing. There are close to 19 to 20 materials in this box, helping the children to learn various aspects of literacy, numeracy, sensorial development, logical reasoning, and fine motor skills. We also have a activity box for the age group of 4+ years of children. Again, focusing on the same areas with different materials, since the material vary because of the age group of these children, as you can see. So this will help introduce many different activities, let it be related to numbers, alphabets, words, maths, or reasoning according to the capacity of the children. We are providing this activity box in the school fees itself for the children who are already enrolled in homeschooling at CUPS for this year, and for those children who have not yet enrolled for homeschooling can purchase this box directly from the school. For knowing more details, you can call us or you can visit us at the school office. Thank you.